Right, assalamu alaikum everyone. So welcome back to the ICP update today. One of my favorite babies is taking in a dip and it's actually trading nearly $17 right now. But there's one thing that I want to mention very quickly is that there could be chances of ICP dropping down to 15 or $14 one more time, because this is going to offer as a retest of a break here. So you had one resistance here, one resistance there, you finally broke it out and you're coming down. You are probably meant to retest the $15-14 range, and then you start to push up to maybe $22-24 one more time. And another thing is also that if I zoom out, then ICP hasn't managed to break one more thing, and that is this little bit of a pattern that you see. Number one, you had the resistance and you went down. You had another resistance, you went down. You had another touch, rejection, another touch, rejection, and finally you have actually dropped, popped to the upside. So performance wise, ICP has done incredible. You just went from $2.8 all the way to $21. So going from $2 to $21, of course, coming down to 14 or 13 one more time. I don't know why people are going to lose their mind over this. I don't think it's a big deal to me anyway. So the EMAs as well. If you look at the EMA, that's where you have your 55 down here. So maybe touch 55 one time and then push up. Now the thing is, and if you're not following the channel, I want you to follow the channel and listen closely to this, is that when you toll down and you go for $14 or maybe 15, number one, you get a buying opportunity, of course. Secondly is, if the retest becomes successful for the pattern that you're breaking right now, you have ICP that can actually explode from top to bottom, and it does nearly $96 in the future, right? So that's something interesting there. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one in the office.